Hello children, in this class we are going to learn about proportion. So what is a proportion? A proportion is a word that tells us where a person, animal, place or things like that. I am going to play for you what I did here children. Yes, I threw the ball into the basket. Where I throw the ball? I threw the ball into the basket. So the proportion here is into. Let us see another example. The boy jumped into the water tub. Where the boy jumps? The boy jumped into the water tub. So the proportion here is into. The aeroplane is flying over the sky. Where the aeroplane is flying? The aeroplane is flying over the sky. So the proportion here is over. Yes. The man is riding on the horse. The man is riding on the horse. Where the man rides? He rides on the horse. You can see some of the examples. The laptop is on the table. The book is on the table. Yes. The zebra is standing near the tree. Where the zebra stands? It is standing near the tree. So the proportion here is near. Let's see next. You love birds? Yes, me too. Let them free. Birds are flying in the sky. Where the birds are flying? The birds are flying in the sky. So the proportion here is in the. Okay. Let us see another example. Fishes. You know fish? Yes. Where they live? They live in the water. Fishes lives in the water. Otherwise they will die. No, you know. Okay. Where is the car? The car is behind the tree. Where is the car? The car is behind the tree. So the proportion here is behind. Let us see another example. I am standing behind the screen. Is it? So the proportion here is behind. Next. Through the tunnel. The train passed through a tunnel. So what is the proportion here? Through. Is it? Yes. Wow. The elephant is standing between the lion and giraffe. Where the elephant is standing? The elephant is standing between the lion and giraffe. So the proportion here is between. Okay? Meow. Yes. The cat is hiding under the blanket. Where is the cat? The cat is hiding under the blanket. So the proportion here is under. Okay. Finally, eagle is flying above the sky. Children, the proportion here is above. Children, do you remember the famous quote of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam? Yes, all birds find shelter during rain, but eagle alone avoids rain flying above the clouds. So, always keep your spirit higher like an eagle. Some of the exercises are given. Thank you for watching. We will see in the next video. Bye.